To remove duplicate references from your EndNote library, select all references in the Groups panel on the left to view all the references in your EndNote library. Duplicate references can be removed either one at a time or all in one go. From the top menu, select Library, then Find Duplicates. Any duplicates found will display in a Find Duplicates pop-up window, allowing you to compare and decide which version of the reference or references to keep or delete. If you wish to remove all duplicate references in one go, click on the Cancel button in the Find Duplicates pop-up window. Any duplicates found will be highlighted in the References panel. Notice that a separate Duplicate References group will appear in the Groups panel. To remove the duplicates, click and drag a highlighted reference into the Trash folder in the Groups panel on the left, or alternatively, right-click on a highlighted reference and select Move References to Trash.